fire still burning here on Maui. You could actually smell it in the air. And that historic Lahaina town, so beloved, it is just gone this morning.
There's a lot of real estate speculation happening right now that is really frustrating, and I just want to remind all you real estate investors around the world, like, Lahaina is not for sale.
Of the pieces, some are getting calls from real estate agents offering to sell their property. The realtors claim they want to help, but many Lahaina residents see the offers as predatory and worry that new developments could make their home unrecognizable. I want to bring in